St. Lucia's first responders faced another grueling weekend, providing life-saving care to motorists in peril. On Sunday, December 8th, the Verner Millet roadway became the scene of a horrific accident involving a collision between a motorcycle and a vehicle.
The St. Lucia Fire Service responded to a motor vehicular collision involving a motorcycle and a vehicle at Verner Millet. On arrival at the scene, 2 adult males were found unconscious and laying on the ground. On assessment, both individuals were observed to have sustained injuries and fractures about the body.
Cell phone footage captured the gruesome aftermath, with one victim writhing in pain on the ground, a testament to the crash's severity.
That man leg break there, fam. That man leg What's that? What's up with that break?
Meanwhile, another victim's hand, barely visible, protruded from beneath the bus, adding a chilling layer to the tragic scene. First responders were caught on camera working meticulously to provide life-saving care, maneuvering skillfully to ensure the injured received urgent treatment.
They were treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
Public Relations Officer of the St. Lucia Fire Service, Charisse John, detailed another collision involving a motorcycle and a vehicle that occurred on Saturday, 7th December at Rodney Bay.
A motorcycle and a vehicle at Rodney Bay. On arrival at the scene, 2 individuals, male and female, were found unconscious and oriented near the roadside. They stated riding off the road after being struck by an oncoming vehicle. They both sustained injuries about the body. They were assessed, treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
Officials from the St. Lucia Fire Service, the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, government representatives, medical professionals, and advocacy groups have issued repeated calls for safer, more attentive driving on the nation's roads. However, these appeals often go unheeded, with reckless behaviors continuing to endanger lives. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.